Are you interested in social media marketing for your business, but not actually sure how it works? Like, what does an agency actually do all day? Is it just posting pictures, writing captions, tweeting into a void? You're not alone, and the answer might surprise you. Here's the thing. Most businesses know they need to be on social media, but between running a business, serving your customers, and just living life, who has time to figure it all out? You post something, it gets 12 likes, and 10 of those are your mom and cousin. The algorithm seems to hate you, and you have no idea if any of it is actually building your brand. This is exactly where a social media agency comes in. First, let's clear something up. Organic social means no paid ads and no boosted posts. Just content that earns its reach because it's genuinely good. It's relevant, it's timely, and it's worth watching. And here's something a lot of people get wrong. They think the goal is to go viral. One big video, millions of views, overnight fame. But for most businesses, that's not actually what moves the needle. What actually builds a brand is showing up consistently, week after week, with content that looks good, sounds like you, and gives your audience a reason to stick around. Think about the brands that you trust most. Chances are you didn't find them from one viral moment. You saw them again and again, and over time, they just became part of your world. That's what a consistent social media presence does. It builds familiarity, and familiarity builds trust. And trust is what gets people to buy. So we start with a strategy, figuring out who your audience is, what platforms they're on, and what content resonates with them. Then we handle the content calendar, so we're posting at the right times with the right frequency. And then we write all the copy, the captions, the hooks, and the call to action to make people actually do something. But here's where Torro does something that most agencies simply don't. We come to you. Our team comes on site to your business, whether that's a storefront, a warehouse, a restaurant, or a construction site, and we capture it properly. Professional photography, ground level video, and aerial shots that show the real scale and quality of what you do. Then we edit everything, every clip, every photo, cut and formatted for any platform. So what goes out looks polished and genuinely yours. Your business captured at its best. Because authentic content gets shared, it gets saved, and it builds the kind of trust that some ads can't buy. And if coming to us works better for you, that's an option too. Our headquarters in Wilmington, Massachusetts is set up to be a fantastic backdrop for content shoots. Great light, versatile spaces, and a production team on hand. A lot of our clients come to us for a few hours and leave with months worth of content. Whether we come to you or you come to us, the result will be the same. Real high quality content that makes your brand look exactly how it should. At Torro Media, we've helped businesses across industries build organic audiences that actually convert. Not vanity metrics, but consistent growth that compounds over time. Think of us as your full organic social and content production team without the overhead of hiring one. So if you're ready to stop posting and hoping and start building something that actually grows your brand, let's talk. Head to Torro.io to book a free discovery call. No pressure, no BS, just an honest conversation about what consistent organic social can do for your business.